Hi, I'm Dimitir Metzeltin from Mackie, and today we're looking at the ProDX 4 and the ProDX 8 as two Mackie digital mixers with a very small footprint. So this is ideal also where space matters, but this is also ideal for small installations or for singer-songwriters or small bands, because the ProDX 4 and the ProDX 8 are two digital mixers that are very easy to use, even for somebody that's not a sound engineer. It's very easy to control everything directly on the units. Okay, so now we're looking at the backside of the two units, and we see here the connections of the ProDX 4 and the ProDX 8. So the ProDX 4, as the name already says, has 4 inputs in total. So we have 2 combo inputs, and these can take line signals, microphone signals, or instrument signals, because we're using our Mackie YZ preamp, so everything can be connected there, everything and everybody. And we have a stereo line input here as well, so if you want to connect your smartphone or anything else directly to the device using a mini jack cable, you can do that here as well. Then we have 3 outputs in total, so we have the left-right main outputs and the auxiliary output. All of the outputs are balanced, so that's quite good to know. And we have a headphone output as well here. Okay, the ProDX 8 has a couple of more ins and outs. We have a total of 8 inputs, because it's called the ProDX 8. So we have 6 combo inputs. Again, we're using the YZ Mackie preamp, so we can connect instruments, microphones, or even line signals. Input 7 and 8 is a stereo mini jack input again, so I can connect directly with the cable my iPad or my Android phone there. And we have 1 output more here than on the ProDX 4. So we have the left-right main outputs, and then we have 2 auxiliary outputs, all of them again balanced, and the headphone output here as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the front side and the controls that we have here. As I said, even if you're not a sound engineer, it's very easy to control the ProDX 8 or the ProDX 4. If I want to change the levels, I just press the channel that I want to change, and I'm changing it right now. If I want to change the main mix or the auxes, I just go here and change it. Same on the ProDX 8, so if I want to change channel 2, I change the input level right here. It also goes automatically back after a couple of seconds to the main level. So if you have your level set and then during a performance you want to just put the mains a little bit louder, it will go automatically back to the mains. And as you see here in the software, it reacts at the same time. So if I change a channel here, you see also the same channel changing in the software. So all basic controls are here directly on the device, very easy to use. If you want to go a little bit deeper and you want to have a nicer overview, then we have our Mackie Mixer app that you can download for free in the app stores or on Google Play. So we support the iOS as well as Android. That's very important to say also here. We make the connection through Bluetooth, and we can stream music through Bluetooth also into the device. So that's also a very nice feature here that we have. And if I want to change the level of a channel, I just grab the fader here. And I can also take out the iPad at any time and walk around. It's connected through Bluetooth, as I said. And we have a couple of more controls. So if I go into a channel view, then we're looking here at the channel. I can set the reverb level right here. We have a very simple, easy to use sliding compressor. We have a 3-band EQ where I can set the mid frequencies, and we have a low cut filter as well. So all the basic things that you need are already implemented in the software and in the ProDX mixers. If I go into the mains, we have a graphic EQ on the main output, so that's quite nice as well. We have the same thing actually also on the aux out, so we have here a nice graphic EQ to adjust the rooms if necessary. Another great feature is, if I go into the settings, is that I can save my presets, so I can recall them at any later stage where I need a certain preset for a certain room, for example. So back to the main view here. Actually, this whole setup is very easy to use. It's also very handy, the whole thing. It has a small footprint, and you can use it in small clubs, in bars, cafes, shops, for example. But also it's usable for small bands, for weddings, all kind of things and small installations actually. So a very useful little digital mixer from Mackie called the ProDX series.